Welcome to Tiny DIY Craft Channel. Enjoy the video! The pineapple is almost finished. Add more decorations. Wow! A unique trash bin. Make the support bar. Make the trash bin lid. Add more decorations. Cut a circle. Draw a SpongeBob. Stick it onto the circle. The rolling character wheel is done. Cute little fish. Put slime into the bag. Tie it up. A unique pinwheel. Attach the long strings. Attach the pin. It's finished! This is fold as instructed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny DIY Craft to get notified of the latest videos. Stack the layers on top of each other. Have you made it yet? Share with me in the comments. Wow! A flashlight shining on the characters. Color the inside-out character. black sheet. Cut out the flashlight beam. Let's see the result together. Cut along the shape. Wrap around the tube. Let's make French fries. Insert the small tube into the big one. Delicious snack finished! So cute! This is La Boo Boo. Next will be let's color together. Attach the parts. Fold along the crease. Attach the teeth. Attach to the head. Attach the teeth. Color it. Add a shiny plastic layer. Wrap around the egg. Attach the bottom box. Make a picture frame. Let's make a pencil case together. make the container. After this video, have you made your unique pencil case yet? A cute candy box. Decorate the face. Pour the candy in. A glowing mermaid tank. Pour the beads in. Pour the water in. Add decorations. Attach the lid light. Color it. Wrap around the edges. Make the wheel. Put it in. Let's see the result. First, color it. Can you guess what we are making? Comment below! Put the slime in. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Teeny DIY Craft.